In version 22, for a user to apply AutoNC, they would open this dialog box. This opens up, click OK, and then if they wanted to add scrap cut, they would open our cut scrap dialog, click OK again, and in total that's about 15 seconds and 4 clicks. If we move over to version 23, taken that cut scrap dialog and added it into our AutoNC dialog so that when a user opens AutoNC, they can set their scrap cut preferences as default and click OK. And they're going to place that AutoNC with scrap cut in about half the time and fewer clicks. So in addition to that, we've added this apply defaults button. So when a user just clicks apply defaults, we will apply all the defaults that are saved in their XML. So with one click, we can apply all of that same NC in just a couple seconds.